Good morning, everybody. What we have on testing in here this morning is one of our 327s. This one happens to have one of our thumper cams in it. This customer requested us to run his engine out the door. So you will not see any dyno results on this. We already know what it's going to make. We've done them before. But again, this is a 327 Chevy. We have our own design on this one. We use a one-piece block and convert it with a early style crank, steel crank. Has an H-beam connecting rod and a Keith black piston in here. We're running the Edelbrock heads. This one happens to have the thin valve covers, MSD distributor, and Edelbrock carburetor. So again, this customer requested us to run this out the door because he wanted to hear the sound. So let's give it a shot and fire it up. What do you think of the sound of that? Is that nice or what? Listen to that grumble. Well, there you go. One of our 327s. If there's anything we can help with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. And remember, the proof is in the performance.